You can speak Mandarin today with just 10 minutes a day. That's right. You don't need to memorize hundreds of grammar rules. You don't need endless textbooks, and you don't need to spend hours repeating vocabulary lists. In fact, by following a few simple steps and practicing consistently, you can start speaking and understanding Mandarin naturally. Let's begin with one simple phrase you can use immediately. 你好. That means hello in Mandarin. Repeat after me. 你好. Perfect. Notice the tones. The first syllable rises slightly, and the second dips and then rises. This is your first taste of speaking Mandarin correctly, and you've already started your journey. Now, before we dive into more phrases, let's talk about why most beginners struggle. People often try to memorize grammar or focus on words in isolation. They spend hours learning vocabulary lists, but forget them when they try to form sentences. Or they worry too much about tones and pronunciation, which makes them hesitant to speak at all. The method we're using today is different. Instead of memorization, you'll learn high-frequency words and phrases, practice tones and context, and build your ability to form sentences naturally. This approach works with how your brain learns languages, not against it. Let's start with the first group of high-frequency words. These are the words you'll encounter in almost every conversation, and by mastering them, you can create meaningful phrases immediately. First, 我, meaning I or me. Say it slowly. 我. Perfect. This is a third tone, so your voice dips and then rises. Next, 你, which means you. 你. Great. That's the second tone, so it rises slightly. Combine these two, and you can say 我你, though we'll refine it into proper phrases in a moment. Now let's add 好, meaning good. 好. Excellent. When you say 你好, you're saying hello naturally. Try it with me again. 你好. Perfect. Next is 谢谢, meaning thank you. 谢谢. Notice the falling tone repeated twice. Then we have 什么, meaning what. 什么. Great. Finally, 这, meaning this, and 那, meaning that. 这, 那. Very good. With these words, you can already form simple phrases like 这是, meaning this is, and 那是, meaning that is. Repeat after me. 这是, 那是. Excellent. You're already building your Mandarin vocabulary in a meaningful way. Now let's move on to phrases. The magic of phrases is that they embed grammar naturally without needing to memorize rules. For example, 我很好 means I am good. Here, 我 is I, 很 acts as a soft connector, and 好 is good. Repeat after me. 我很好. Perfect. Notice how it flows naturally. Another essential phrase is 你好吗, meaning how are you? You already know 你 and 好, and 么 is the question particle. 你好吗? Excellent. Using phrases like this helps you speak correctly while learning grammar implicitly. Let's add one more useful phrase. 谢谢你, meaning thank you. 谢谢你. Perfect. Combining these phrases with the words you've learned allows you to communicate immediately. Repeat each phrase multiple times until it feels natural. The key here is rhythm and tone, not perfection. Now that you have some words and phrases, let's move into mini dialogues for daily life. These will help you practice combining what you've learned into real conversations. First, a simple introduction. 你好，我是老师, meaning, hello, I am a teacher. Repeat slowly at first, then at normal conversation speed. 你好，我是老师. Excellent. Another example. 这是书，那是笔, meaning, this is a book, that is a pen. 这是书，那是笔. Very good.
Did you know most beginners make a simple mistake here? They often mix tones or forget the question particle ma. For example, saying 你好 instead of 你好吗 changes the meaning entirely. Always pay attention to tones and particles. They're small but very important. Try repeating the question and answer. 你好吗？我很好，谢谢. Say it after me. 你好吗？我很好，谢谢. Perfect. Next, let's practice tone combinations in context. Using short sentences, focus on the pitch and rhythm. Repeat after me. 这是我的书, meaning this is my book. 这是我的书. Good. Now try 那是你的笔, meaning that is your pen. 那是你的笔. Excellent. Doing this repeatedly trains your ear and mouth to produce Mandarin correctly. Let's take it further with shadowing exercises. I'll say a sentence and you repeat it exactly, trying to match the tone and rhythm. 我想喝咖啡, meaning I want to drink coffee. Repeat. 我想喝咖啡. Great. Another one. 你想吃什么? Meaning, what do you want to eat? 你想吃什么? Excellent. These exercises are small but highly effective for building fluency. Before we wrap up, let's review common beginner mistakes. Overthinking grammar, forgetting tones, and memorizing words without context are the main traps. But by using phrases, practicing tones in context, and shadowing dialogues, you can avoid all three. Remember, the goal is to speak naturally, not perfectly on day one. Finally, here's a daily 10-minute practice challenge. Take 10 minutes every day to repeat high-frequency words, practice phrases, and shadow short dialogues. For example, say 你好,我很好 3 times. Practice 这是书,那是笔 and try a mini dialogue like 你想吃什么?我想吃饭. Doing this consistently will dramatically improve your Mandarin in a short time. Remember, learning Mandarin doesn't have to be overwhelming. By focusing on words, phrases, tones, and daily practice, you're building a strong foundation for fluency. Comment below which phrase you'll practice today, and don't forget to subscribe to Quick Learn Mandarin for more beginner-friendly lessons. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can speak Mandarin naturally.